My name is John Walsh with Logic Group, and in previous videos I've shown you how easy it is to use the Logic Tray software. Well, I thought here I'd do a video on how easy it is to set up when you get one. Here's a 44 by 60. I've taken the top box off. Here's a box of accessories with all the stuff in it. I'm going to put it right over here. We get the board out. It's got lots of packaging around the board so that it will ship without getting damaged. I'm going to take this top part out. And then I'm going to take the board out of the box. Put it right here. Now I'm going to set it on two folding tables. A lot of people put them on folding tables. Some people make a table for it, 2x4. Some people hang them on a wall. So just put it on the tables. And lift it right on. And there we go. Now let's get the box out with all the goodies in it. So it has a cordless pen stylus. I put in another one. This is just, it's got the batteries in it. The batteries are, you didn't want to see me put batteries in. We've got the serial to USB cable that we're going to attach to the back of the board. We have an extra 16 button cursor. We have a serial to USB adapter to put it on the USB computer in your computer. You go ahead and attach that to my computer right now. And then I've got a power supply, and I've got the USA connection, but it's a 110 to 240 power supply, and it also comes with all the connections for anything around the world. And then we also have a corded pen stylus, but I'm going to use the cordless pen stylus. So that's everything in the box. I'm now going to attach the power supply. The power supply and the serial cable connect right on the back here. I'm not going to show that from back, the video, but it goes in right there where the power supply goes, if I can see it. And then I'm going to plug the other end into a power strip. And then there's a blinking light right there. That means that it's got power. There is an on-off switch right there. Now I'm going to put the serial cable in the back of the board. There's a spot for it. Just line it up and put it in there. My problem is I can't really see it sometimes. I'm going to screw it in a little bit, make sure we got a good connection. And then the other side comes over here and connects to the computer. Let's put the computer right there. And I'm going to connect the cable to the serial to USB. Whenever you connect to this, you need to turn the digitizer off and on. So we turn it off, turn it back on again. Let's start up the Logic Tray software. Got it here on my desktop. I've got a bunch of stuff on, but I'm not going to take the stuff off. And we've got the digitizer started. Let's see if we can digitize. I just come up here to setup. And then I click Test XY. I push a button on the pen to activate the batteries. Digitize point. I did get a point there. And let's draw something on this board and see what we can get. So I'm going to close this screen. I'm going to click Tray Start. And then let's digitize. And we have that on the screen. So from the time I took it out of the box to the time I was able to trace, about 3 minutes. Thank you.